This is the initial test for the MADE project, more alike than expected. The assignment was due on the 5th of November 2014. Let's check the progress. It's loading. It was a rather interesting initial test. This is the progress. Some students answered 25% of it, or 50 or 75, but most of them did very well, 100%. Statistics will follow.